Okay. All the doors are in. That cabinet and those walls that I've cut. Look at that pile of sawdust. That is a lot of sawdust. Fixing to pick it up so I don't walk all in it, and then I'm going to start putting my stuff in the cabinets. Do you remember when I had to basically buy all the parts to make another fence for my bandsaw? Because somewhere between the house I moved from and my new shop, I lost the fence for that bandsaw. And it took months to find all the parts. I had to order them separately to build a new fence. I cannot freaking believe it. Now I got two. Okay, I know it doesn't seem like much, but that's... Oh, and another thing. I cannot believe I found so much stuff. And I had it all covered up with brushes. And these, I thought I had lost these forever. Belts, I have belts down here that I thought I lost. Man, I'll tell you what. God, all the stuff I have found. And this goes to my knife shop, because all this stuff goes in there. So here's a whole tub empty. And let me tell you about my brushes, okay? I'm not like some brush junkie. I can stop anytime I want. Don't hassle me, man. Okay, really. When I find brushes like for a ridiculous sale, if they're like $1, I just buy them, you know? And I go through brushes a lot. And when you have this many brushes and you only paid $1 for them, you don't have to wash them out when you're done. Just throw them away. So that's why I have so many brushes, because I don't like washing them out. Now, if it's latex and I've only used it once, like this one and this one behind it, I've only used them once or twice and I've washed them out. I mean, I'm not like wasteful, but if it's just a pain in the neck and I've used a brush a time or two, pitch it out. It was $1. So, those are my chip brushes. I'm going to put them in. These are just like clean off your machines from you know, chips that you drill and stuff like that. Okay. I'll be done with this cabinet, this shelf here, in just a minute, and then I'm going to put my gloves up there. And just so you know, I'm not full of it. I really do have 100 pairs of gloves. $1 a piece, about 100 for $100. So, you know, it sounds crazy, but I'll never need another pair of gloves. Okay, I have semi-organized stuff, and I know roughly where it's going to go. It's going to be a good day tomorrow. I'm going to get a lot done. Actually, I'm going to get all this stuff put away neatly and logically, you know, like these are all staple guns. Some of them are electric, some of them aren't. I have staples. Those are all going in one area. These are sanders with sanding discs. Those are all going in one area, you know. Grinding wheels. So I have an idea. This is all electrical stuff. Plus that right there is all electrical stuff. And I'm probably going to organize. Oh yeah, plus that blue toolbox right there. That's electrical stuff. That's my portable electrical kit. When I, you know, do stuff out of my garage, out of my shop, I bring that with me. It's got everything in it. So that's it for today. It's 4 in the afternoon. I got a late start because it was misty. It was so foggy and misty that it felt like it was raining. And I just don't want to get out in that stuff right now. I'm feeling pretty good, and I just don't want to cause any damage, you know. So anyway, I had a good start. Cabinets are done. Starting to put stuff in. And there's my 100 gloves and 200 red rags. Alrighty. I'm going to upload this. You'll see it Tuesday morning. And I'm going to just attach like this 5-minute long video. Just me and my wife chatting on the front porch. You don't have to watch that. But I just thought I'd put it on there because some people like to see what's going on around here. And, I have kinfolk that watch my videos, and it just kind of helps me stay in touch with everybody. So, I'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday. And when I finish putting everything in the cabinets, I'll back up and take a long shot and give you a video of that. And then I'm going to start painting everything. Cabinet, not the inside. Outside of the cabinets, everything's getting painted. And all that stuff over there is getting hung up. Hammers. I got some stuff on that table getting hung up. It's starting to come together. I'm getting kind of excited. It's never going to be the Taj Mahal, but it's going to be really orderly, organized, and I'll be able to get some stuff done in here. And my first job in here is going to be pulling the bumper off my pickup truck and fixing it and painting it. Alrighty. See you tomorrow. Have a good Tuesday. Okay, I am on a very skinny, what do you call it? Chase lounge, lawn chair. And for some reason, all three of these dogs have to be in my lap.
Well, it is a little cold.
It is cold, and she is shivering. And by cold, I mean, what, 55 or so?
I don't know. I'm gonna look.
Freezing.
I just got.
Doesn't water freeze at 55 or 60? I don't know. We wouldn't know because when it gets that cold, we go inside.
It's cold when it's about 65. I don't want to. I work out here though, and when it's 30 something or 40, but I would prefer it to be 65.
That's funny. All three dogs in one little area.
It's 60.
60 degrees?
I gotta go in.
Why does it feel so damn
No,
cold?
They said it was going to be like 73 today. They are never right.
They're never right.
Never.
What we should do is watch the weather, and if they say it's going to be sunny day, bring an umbrella. Okay. I have a lap of
oh my God, we're going to
dogaphy.
a freeze.
We're going to freeze.
Frost.
No kidding. When?
Thursday night, Friday.
Wow.
Yes.
Well,
it's going to be 32 degrees. We haven't had a killing frost.
And that will be into
before.
November, won't it?
Yeah, we've never had one before. Well, not never, but our normal killing frost is around the 15th.
She's freezing.
Or after, and that's my birthday.
Oh yeah, November 15th. You're going to be 30 years old again.
And we hardly. I can't even remember the last time we had a freeze before the 15th.
Wait, what would you like for your birthday?
It'll be the 31st.
Okay.
I want nothing.
Nothing? Well, you have me. I mean, how could you want for anything when you have me?
The Lord has
blessed you with me.
With everything I could possibly ever need.
Me.
He promised to
Say
give
it.
me everything. That's right. You. I have you.
Thank you.
There's nothing more I need. The Lord has blessed me 10 times over. He has blessed me 10 times over more than I deserve.
Okay, so do you want to eat somewhere?
No, I don't know.
Okay, Sonny, I'm going to move you into this little pocket of area right down here. Plenty of room.
We can only go anywhere if you promise not to do any breathing treatments.
Oh, yeah. There is something odd about these breathing treatments. Now, they contain a steroid and something that kind of gives you a little pep, but they also make my wife very cranky.
Yeah, they make you want to kill people.
No, not kill people, just insult them verbally.
Yeah, a lot. And we ain't going anywhere if you're going to do a breathing treatment, because I'm not riding with you, that's for sure.
Yeah, it takes about an hour for the effects of the breathing treatment to wear off how cranky my wife is. I don't know what the connection is.
Yepper.
I wonder what's in that stuff.
I don't know, but...
It sure does. I mean, it's like a miracle drug for my breathing. My God, what a difference.
Yeah, you look better, sound better. You've done a little more... Well, you've been doing a lot the last few days.
I have. I've been very busy, and yesterday I worked till 4.
Well,
that's a long day for me.
When we moved over here, which was in October, we didn't do a whole lot because we were helping Bev with her mom.
With Miss Pat, yeah.
And it rained nonstop.
Non-stop. I'll never forget that.
Yeah, and so really we haven't physically done anything until And then in March, you had your thyroid taken out.
And
you
even
didn't do-
before that, remember I couldn't lift that plywood up?
Right.
So
you were having breathing problems a lot then too. So you've basically not done anything for a year.
for a year, yeah, between recuperating and surgery, and before they, took my thyroid out, I had trouble, and before that, Miss Pat was sick and dying, and before that, we were moving. You were here, and I was moving stuff over here while you put it away. So, man, what a year, huh?
Yeah, it's been a really hard year for me. Probably the hardest year physically, health wise.
Yeah, for both of us. And
even harder than when I had lung cancer. This has been really, really mentally too. It's been a real stressful year.
Yep, thank God we got a nice porch to sit on and watch the world go by.
Gosh, we're so blessed.
Things are slowing down and settling in, and hopefully we don't have any more surprises.
Thank you, Jesus.
That's 5 minutes of us talking. People aren't going to watch. They're gone. They're long gone. We can say anything we want now.
They were gone. Like 1 minute into this. The dogs.
Lost a dog.
Yeah.
Had an escapee.
Look at Breezy got his head on Lucy's butt. Now, if Lucy did that to him, he would just have a fit and fall back on it.
I gave Lucy the...
Oh.
She was desperately hungry.
I'm trying to get about 5 pounds off that dog.
Oh, she's pleasantly plump.
I just don't, it really, really hurts their health to have that extra weight on them.
Okay, enough talking. I'm gone.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. See, you got me in the eye.
That's disgusting.
You good girl. Yes, you are. Okay. Okay, get down.
Good Lord.